G'day guys, the R56 Mini had a couple of these actually, where you get a differential pressure sensor plausibility code, and it seems to be this faulty oil cap. I'm sorry, this video is not going to go into where the sensor is or even what's missing off this cap. I don't know at the moment, but just in case I never make the video, I'd rather just make this short one. So that's where it's holding, but funny thing is I couldn't get this cap off. Like, I haven't used any force, but that's how it's come from BMW. And there we go. So something with the oil caps. It does trigger that light because I've had this before, otherwise I wouldn't make the video. I think previously we've made videos of the R50s with that sensor faulty, and yes, it's a map sensor or whatever you want to call it. But over here, this is the trigger. Okay, hope it helps.